This is Shae from Caldwell County BBQ. Today we're going to show you how to wrap briskets. Piece paper, grade 2 pieces. It's 2 to a brisket. Take your pickle juice, spray it. I say about right here. You can get it super wet. They don't really care. And you just connect them. Go like that. Usually you can leave this because we got wind problems out here. Take your brisket out, place it about right there, give it enough room, go like there. Take your pickle juice, give it a couple of hits, and pretty much just wrap them up. Fold each end. Like that. Fold the other end. Like that. Take it. Flip. If you flip it, you can tuck it in. If not, leave it out. No problem. And you take the tip. You do a little fold. Off your fold. Pull it tight. And you stick it back in. Pretty much just keep the juice in there. Then almost like a steamer, kind of like. That's pretty much it. You can do it without wrapping it, but it's come out better wrapped.